In Islamic society, scholars play a crucial role in several capacities. 1. Guardians of knowledge. Islamic scholars preserve, interpret, and transmit religious knowledge, including the Quran, Hadith, sayings of Prophet Muhammad, Sharia, Islamic law, and theological teachings. 2. Jurisprudence and law. They provide legal opinions, fatwas, based on Islamic jurisprudence, guiding Muslims on matters of personal conduct, family law, business ethics, and community affairs. 3. Education and teaching. Scholars educate the community through lectures, classes, and writing, fostering religious literacy and moral guidance. 4. Community leadership. They often serve as community leaders, providing spiritual guidance, resolving disputes, and promoting social cohesion. 5. Cultural preservation. Scholars contribute to preserving Islamic culture, languages, and traditions through their teachings and writings. 6. Advocacy and social justice. Many scholars advocate for social justice issues within Islamic principles, addressing poverty, inequality, and human rights. 7. Interfaith dialogue. They engage in dialogue with scholars of other faiths, promoting understanding and cooperation. 8. Spiritual guidance. Scholars guide individuals in matters of spirituality, offering counseling and helping Muslims strengthen their relationship with God. 9. Cultural and intellectual development. They contribute to the intellectual development of Islamic civilization through scholarly debates, research, and writings on various disciplines such as philosophy, science, and literature. 10. Propagation of Islamic ethics. Scholars promote ethical behavior and moral. 11. Innovation and adaptation. They adapt Islamic principles to contemporary issues and challenges, providing guidance on topics such as technology, bioethics, and environmental stewardship. 12. Community development. Scholars engage in community development initiatives, including charitable activities, education projects, and healthcare services, inspired by Islamic principles of social responsibility, zakat, and communal solidarity. 13. Preservation of unity. They strive to maintain unity among Muslims by addressing sectarianism and promoting tolerance and mutual respect among different Islamic schools of thought, madhabs. 14. Global leadership. Influential scholars serve as global ambassadors of Islam, representing the religion in international forums, promoting peace and countering misconceptions about Islam. 15. Models. Scholars serve as role models for Muslims. 16. Advisory role to governments. In some contexts, scholars advise governments and political leaders on issues relating to Islamic law and ethics, contributing to policy-making processes. 17. Revival of Islamic sciences. Scholars contribute to the revival and reformation of Islamic sciences, encouraging critical thinking, innovation, and academic rigor within Islamic educational institutions. 18. Promotion of gender equity. Progressive scholars advocate for women's rights within Islamic frameworks, challenging patriarchal interpretations and promoting gender equity in education, employment, and social roles. These roles highlight the diverse and influential contributions of Islamic scholars across various aspects of society, emphasizing their ongoing relevance and impact in shaping Muslim communities globally.